Hello my dear traders, very welcome to Utham's Trading Academy. Today also we are going to have another session with binary options. Are you ready for trade with me guys? So let's go for our today day trade. Okay my dear traders, here we go, and in my live account I came up with $2,000, and guys I choose the currency pair AUD USD, and the first investment is going to be $400, and let's push down. Yeah, follow the trend, and let me explain what's going on in the market guys. And look at this guys, it went up, went down, and went up. It was in the range zone and it's climbing down right now, and I found some resistive zones and supportive zones. Look at this, one supportive zone and two resistive zones, and here according to the candlestick strategy it should be come up into the another supportive zone guys. So so far so good. When it hit the supportive zone guys, so the market will be changed, and then it turn up guys. No, it's climbing up. It's yeah. And also guys, what about our AUD USD currency pair profit guys? 86% profit, so it's a good one guys. And let it go, let candle go and make my profit. Look at this guys, $744 profit. It's a good one, and let's follow the trend. Trend is our friend guys, as always guys. So still it didn't hit the bottom, the supportive zone. When it hit the supportive zone, the market will be changed and it's growing up. So so far so good. Let it go guys. And guys, still you if you don't follow my VIP Telegram channel guys, I'm highly recommending you to follow my VIP Telegram channel, be a member, and let's share our trading knowledge, day trading knowledge. There in my VIP Telegram channel, it's available my tactics, my analysis, and everything guys. Why don't you use it, and why don't you improve your day trading knowledge with the help of my tactics and my trading analysis guys. So if you are a beginner, you can definitely improve your day trading knowledge within couple of weeks, and you can become a professional day trader. All the links below in the description. And guys, look at my second profit guys. Look at this, another $744 profit. So far so good. Let's shift into another one. Yeah, another currency pair. Let's choose. Yeah, and let's push up, follow the trend. Look, and let me explain, it went down, it's time to growing up guys. So no, what the hell is going on? Okay, be patient, don't get panic, don't get nervous. Fuck, I should have waited until, yeah, according to RSI indicator, what's going on there below. I think still we have time guys, still we have time, don't get panic guys. Still we have time to make our profit, because sometimes candles like fake candles is showing up some things. Don't get panic. Yeah guys, I'm making this profit as I told you guys. Look at this, another $736 profit guys. And let's I think we need to be careful with this one. I think I made a mistake. It's like a stake of my money guys. I put my money in stake, I got a risk. By the way, no, let me analyze guys. So I'm getting confused about the market strategy right now. So far so good. It's like kind of okay. No, hang on, still we have time, time is money, by the way. No, I'm not gonna make it. That's why I'm going to invest 1,000 guys. Let's push down with $1,000. I didn't make it. I lost my 400, and let's push down guys. What's going on guys? Yeah, I can explain what's going on. It went up and it hit the resistive zone kind of, and then it's time to push down. Oh no, oh no, oh no, baby. I think I'm gonna make it, guys. So guys, look at this, guys. It's a day trading. It's a kind of something like that, guys. It's a we are taking risk and risk management and everything, guys. So if you need to know about more about day trading, so guys, for additional more educational videos like this, guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video, guys. So okay, I made it. I think I made it. Yeah, okay, all right, $1,840 I made profit. So let's push down. Yeah, according to my analysis, look at this, guys. This is the supportive zone, this is the resistance zone, and this will be the another supportive zone. So that's why when it hit the bottom, guys, the supportive zone, and the market will be changed and it's growing up with the green candle. No, it will be growing up the green candle. Right now we don't have any risk with this investment. So by the way, so far so good. I'm gonna make this profit, guys. So guys, my dear traders, so I'm highly recommending you to follow my VIP Telegram channel. All the links below in the description, and also for additional educational more videos like this, guys, all you have to do a really simple thing: subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the like button for this video, guys. So okay, yeah, I'm gonna make it. Guys. Look at this, another $736. And guys, I think it's enough for today, guys. And in my live account, how much I have? $3,800. I started up with 2,000 and I made $1,800 in 10 minutes, guys. My dear traders, do you want to become a profitable and professional day trader like me? So stay with my channel and follow my instructions. Let's meet with another profitable day trading video with Utham's Trading Academy. See you and take care, guys.